Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a pipeline in HubSpot. First, navigate to your HubSpot settings and locate the Deals section. Here, you can manage your sales pipelines. Click Add Pipeline to begin building a new one. Name your pipeline clearly, then start adding individual stages. Each stage represents a step in your sales process, from initial contact to a closed-won deal. You can add as many as 10 stages. Once your stages are set, it is time to customize them. You can rename any stage to better reflect your sales terminology. Assign a probability percentage to each stage, indicating the likelihood of a deal closing at that point. For example, a proposal sent stage might have a 75% probability. You can also set up automation, like creating a task for a sales representative when a deal moves into a new stage, ensuring consistent follow-up. With your pipeline configured, your team can now move deals through the stages. Sales representatives can manually drag and drop deals, or automation can advance them based on specific criteria. For instance, an email reply could automatically move a deal from new lead to contact made. This ensures a smooth flow and reduces manual effort. You can also set up required properties for each stage, ensuring all necessary information is captured before a deal progresses. Finally, regularly review and optimize your pipeline for maximum efficiency. HubSpot provides robust reporting tools to analyze deal velocity, conversion rates, and stage-by-stage performance. Look for bottlenecks where deals tend to get stuck. Based on these insights, you can refine your stage definitions, adjust probabilities, or implement new automation rules. Continuous optimization ensures your sales process remains effective and aligned with your business goals, driving consistent revenue growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.